Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit PDF files in your laptop, and there are tons of ways with which you can edit your PDF files in your laptop. The first one and the easiest one is I am using my Firefox browser. This web browser I'm using is Firefox in front of you. Now, to open the PDF file, first of all you have to open a new tab and then simply drag and drop the PDF file here. As you can see, this is my PDF file. Now, in order to edit, the Firefox browser has some built-in tools to edit. For instance, if you want to add a text, you can select the color of the text. Now I can type in anything. Also, if you want to use a marker, for instance, if I want to use a red marker, I will select the red color. Now I can highlight anything with my marker. I can also choose the thickness, the opacity of the marker. You can also do your signatures, each and everything. So that's simply how you can edit a PDF file in your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.